Right now, the biggest hedge funds in the world are hiding a multi-billion-dollar secret. They aren't hiring human traders anymore. In fact, over 80% of all trades on Wall Street are executed by hidden artificial intelligence. But they don't use standard tools like ChatGPT. They use advanced predictive AI models that scan global news, satellite imagery, and whale wallets before a human can even blink. But what if a regular retail trader got access to the exact same power? Most retail traders fail because they look at the same lagging indicators, RSI, MACD, moving averages. By the time a chart shows a buy signal, Wall Street has already dumped the stock. To beat them, you need alternative data. And there is a new wave of secret AI tools available to the public that do exactly that. Tools that don't just look at charts, but analyze market sentiment. These tools scan millions of data points on Reddit, X, and global news sites every second to predict where the retail herd is moving before it happens. Let's look at how this unfair advantage works in real life. When a major CEO tweets or a supply chain issue occurs, this AI parses the text, calculates the market impact, and prints a signal instantly. In our testing, combining this AI sentiment data with basic support and resistance levels increased strategy accuracy by over 23%. It completely eliminates the guesswork. You are no longer guessing what the market will do. You are trading based on real-time global behavior. But here is the catch. Wall Street is fighting back. They are spending millions to inject fake data and noise into social media to manipulate these exact AI sentiment models. That is why you can never rely on just one AI tool. The secret is combining AI sentiment with strict volume analysis. If the AI says buy, but the institutional volume isn't there, it's a trap. The gap between Wall Street and retail traders is shrinking, but only for those adapt. The future belongs to the algorithmic trader. I've compiled a complete list of the top free and hidden AI sentiment tools you can use right now. It's linked in the description below. Drop a comment on which tool surprised you the most, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.